Alright guys, look at what I've got here. Honor 20, the non-pro versions. I literally just got this device from a Malaysia team during the launch event last night. But now it's like I'm still in London in the morning, but I have to give you guys a very quick unboxing. I want to do a proper way, but I'm still in London now, but so why not? Anyway, so this is Malaysia set of Honor 20. I think the one I got is a sapphire blue, I believe. And let's quickly see the specs here. On 20 ROM, 128 gig and 6 gig of RAM. The color is sapphire blue. Yes. Okay, so excited about this. Right, there you have it, the phone itself here. Oh, better not drop it for my first unboxing. Put it here first, and you got a SIM ejector too. Nothing else in here. Well, I believe the retail packaging you're gonna get the manual guide as usual and a silicone gel case, but for some reason the one I got here is a Hello inside. I don't know why. Probably because it's a review unit, so they don't expect to give all those things. And you got the USB-C cable here. Is that USB-C? I have to make sure for myself. Wow. Yep, it is a USB-C. Pretty long distance, and the cable is pretty thick actually. Kind of like it. Good material. Oh, why not I just open these things first? Never mind. Okay, a two pin charger. Oh, that's kind of surprising. I thought it's gonna be like a three pin charger. You can see it here. That is it. Is it running on? Let's see. 22.5 watts. Yep, right. Fast charging cable. Right. So you got to see the phone itself from the front. From the side, you got the SIM card tray here. On top, you have microphone punch hole. I'm not too sure what is this though. Kind of like a infrared, I guess. At the bottom, microphones and a single speaker grill, USB type of, and on the right side, volume rocker and a fingerprint scanner on the side. Huh, interesting. What about you got for camera module, and you got flash at the bottom here. 48 megapixel. Okay, let's just put it up. I should have put it up just now. Sorry guys. I just wake up actually and have to do this unboxing before going out today to test this camera out right away. Hopefully still got some juice. On a new logo, looks nice. Yeah, it's running on Magic 2.1.0 I think. Let's get started in here. Skip next, skip more, accept, skip, not hands, later matter, update menu. Oh, what? Oh, okay. Alright, so you got it. First boot up of this phone, Malaysia set version. Snappy as usual. Nice aquatic wallpaper here. I'm so used to swiping up, and I forgot it's like a in the button type of downstairs. So let's see right from the box what you get from the models on the 20. So you got Magic UI 2.1.0, Android version 9, okay, RAM 6 gig, resolution 180, Full HD. Internal storage, you got 116 free storage out of 125 gig. Android security patch 1st of April. So it's gonna be interesting from what's going on with Huawei and Google a couple of days ago. We will see. Oh, it's still got 50% of juice left. Alright, that's nice. Okay. Of course, everyone is keen to see the camera. Swipe camera mode later. Okay, right from box, it's an AI enabled feature. Down there you got photo, video. Well, let me see this video. You got wide from the video, 2 times digital zoom. Okay, for the resolution, you can go all the way to 40K at 30 FPS, 180 at 30 FPS or 60 FPS. Oh, that's great. That's good. Oops. Okay, let's see what else. From RAW, you got Pro, slow-mo, panorama, aperture. Wait, what? Lightning, HDR, time-lapse, moving picture, filter, sticker, documents, super macro. So it's using the other lens on it. Okay, so from this camera, this color, from my video, this color is more true to life. But from this, they kind of jack up the vibrant quite a lot, actually, which is a good thing. Or you can, lower a bit in after processing the color. But from this one, you can see it's pretty true to the color of life, to their table. But when you switch to wide mode, it became much vibrant. Portrait. Okay, selfie, 32 megapixel selfie. What's up, guys? Okay, night mode. Okay, maybe I could just take one picture of the night mode. As usual, it's like mind-boggling good for the night mode. That's what you can expect from the software technologies they're using for night mode nowadays. AR, what up? Okay, what else? What else should I check? Wide angle and 2 times digital zoom. Can you go all the way to? Okay, so you can go all the way to 10 times. Oh, it's so shaky. Let me just take a pictures of 10 times zoom on this wall here. Oh, that's blurry. Whoops, I should try again. It's too shaking. How about, okay, 2 times. Okay, 2 times is good. Still sharp. 10 times, it's because it's really shaky and it's like so close to, to the wall, so it's gonna be blurry. But I think even 10 times zoom works just fine. So you can go all the way to 48 megapixel ultra clarity. Of course, I'm gonna use this. What else? And Mark. Alright, so I guess that's it for my really quick unboxing. I'll do a much detailed unboxing and review of this phone when I get back to Malaysia. First of all, I just want to show you guys. So peace out from me in London. I'll see you guys back in Malaysia soon. Honor 20 quad camera brought to you from UK. See you guys. Bye.